Managing people is at the heart of every successful business. But traditional HR processes can be time-consuming and inefficient. That's why forward-thinking companies choose SFT Evolve. SFT Evolve is a comprehensive human resource management system designed to simplify the HR operations. From recruitment to onboarding to payroll, attendance, and performance management, everything is streamlined in one powerful platform. With real-time insights, automated workflows, and secure data management, SFT Evolve empowers HR teams to focus on people, not paperwork. Employee self-service. Empower employee access. A secure portal for employees to manage personal data and receive updates. Recruitment and onboarding. Simplify hiring flow. Manage job postings, interviews, and onboarding with centralized tools. Time and attendance. Track time with flexibility and precision. Real-time attendance tracking with biometric integration and mobile access. For modern workforce needs. Leave management. Automated leave tracking. Automate leave policies and provide employees with clear visibility into their leave. Balances and history. Payroll processing. Fast, compliant, and integrated payroll. Automate payroll with attendance integration, tax planning, and statutory compliance. Performance management. Align goals and nurture talent. Evaluate employee performance with flexible review cycles, skill matrices, and analytics dashboards. Separation management. Streamline exits with clarity and control. Manage resignations, exit interviews, and documentation with dashboards and pullback options. Mobile access. HR on the go, anytime, anywhere. Access all key features via mobile apps for Android and iOS, enabling remote. Workforce management. Why choose SFT Evolve HRMS? Improved recruitment process. Improved data input process. Improved data management process. Decreased paperwork. Decreased input errors. Embrace a whole new world of possibilities, opportunities, and progress with SFT Warehouse Multi-Product IT Suite that empowers businesses with integrated, scalable solutions. Transform your HR processes today. SFT Evolve can help your business grow with smarter human resource management.